Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants and various plant compounds that may benefit your health. Green tea can increase fat burning and help you lose weight. Ingredients: 1. Green tea. 2. Lemon. 3. Ginger. Preparation: you can put 2 tablespoons of green tea into a saucepan. Now add half a lemon, sliced with the peel still on. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger powder into the saucepan. Put 3 cups of water into the saucepan. Now let it boil for about 10 minutes. Remove after 10 minutes, then use a strainer. Make sure to let it cool down. After it has cooled down, you can put the mixture into a bottle and put it in the fridge. How to consume: drink 2 cups per day, 1 cup before breakfast, and the second one just before dinner. You will start to see results in about 3 days. Your belly will start to go down and will give it a flat look. And you will lose about 7 kilos in only 7 days, without having to do extreme diets. You can keep drinking this amazing drink to get your desired results.